Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can design, how you can create this animation, this text animation by just using simple HTML and CSS. So this is our second video of 100 days HTML CSS challenge. This is our day 2 in which we will design, in which we will create this CSS animation. So before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel for more animation videos. So first of all, here we have two files, one for HTML. This is our HTML file. First of all, we are starting with HTML, and this is our CSS file. First of all, our universal tags, padding 0 and margin 0, and box sizing is border box. So now let me just link this CSS file in our HTML file. So to create this animation, first of all I am starting with the h1 with the heading, and inside this h1 tag you can take any type of text. Right here I am taking IM and one span tag. So first of all I am adding some background to our body. The background color is black, and now we are going to add some properties to our h1. The color is white and the margin is 0, and the position is absolute. The top is 50% and the left is also 50%. The transform is translate -50% and -50%. So by using these properties you will get all the content inside in the center of the body. And now we are going to add some before and after properties to our spam tag. First of all, our content and the animation is words 6 second infinite. We are using this word animation. You can get any type of animation name. This is the words is our animation name, and after that the color of the text will be the RGB color. And now we are adding some keyframes to this words animation. At the 0%, the animation will be, the content will be a web developer, web designing, gamer or freelancer. You can add any type of content at the 0%. And the animation at 25% will be our freelancer. The content will be our freelancer. You can get any type of content inside this animation, inside the content. At the 50% our content will be developer, and 75% our content will be the gamer or the freelancer or the designer. You can get any type of content for your this animation. So at the 75% our content will be programmer, and at the 100% our content will be a gamer. So this is the simple short animation you can design by just using simple HTML and CSS. So you can see this is our output. You can design this simple text animation by just using simple HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel.